Hi everybody, Elizabeth Cohen here with CNY Physical Therapy and Aquatics. Today I'm going to be showing you some additional releases that you can do on your face and head to help relax some of the tension that causes headache and jaw strain and eye strain. So first we're going to work on releasing a muscle that's on the side of your head right here. So you're going to take one hand, you're going to put it on the top of your head right by your ear, right above it. Your other hand is going to come right in front of your ear. Right in through here. Just like with the other techniques that I showed in the last video, you're going to keep your hands nice and relaxed. You're going to be holding all these techniques for about 5 minutes. So we're going to hang out here. Your bottom hand is going to draw down and let gravity just gently pull down. Your top hand is kind of an anchor. It's just holding that pressure there. And you'll feel this in through your eye, the side of your face, the top of your head, and all the way through your jaw. And again, we're just hanging out here. And we'd stay here for about 5 minutes. And you want to do this on both sides. So when you do it on the other side, same idea. Hand on your face, other hand crossing over, and coming down like this. Letting your hands sink in. You're not pulling, just nice and slowly letting gravity pull this down. And again for 5 minutes. Next, we're going to do some techniques that work on eye strain. So you're going to place your hand just below the corner of your eye and just above the corner of your eye. And you're slowly, just nice and gently going to separate your fingers. And you'll feel some relief of tension in through the side of your face right here where my hand is, as well as around your whole eyeball. Now we're not sliding on the skin, I'm maintaining that contact where I am and just very slowly separating my hands. And again, this would also be done on the other side as well. The last technique I'm going to show you today is to help release the sphenoid, which is a bone that sits deep inside your skull. Now what you want to do is you want to find the corner of your eyes, come back a little bit, and there's a little soft spot. And that's where you're going to be sinking your fingers in. So you want to sink them in towards each other first, just a little bit, not hard pressure, very, very light. And that's just so you maintain the contact with your skin, so you're not sliding on the surface of your skin. And then what we're slowly going to do is you're going to push back towards your ears. And you're going to hold that for about 5 minutes. So from the side this looks like this. I'm pushing backwards toward my ears, just nice and gentle. And I hold that for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to keep that same pressure. I'm still pushing in just a little bit. And I'm going to pull forward. Nice and gentle towards my eyes. And I'm going to hang out here again for about 5 minutes. This technique in particular is very, very useful and can be helpful for people that are having migraines or headaches on a frequent basis. You can also do all these techniques lying down, so if you're not comfortable doing them sitting, you can lie down and reach over your head and do the same techniques. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me at cnypt.liz@gmail.com. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.